Is it the right time to make a move on Alibaba stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into the world of Alibaba. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024, and today we are here to present you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay in the loop with our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any significant updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of January 4, 2024, our system has identified Alibaba as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.17. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock experienced a loss of -4.35%. This means that on average, it has been declining by -0.87% per day since being listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend and is expected to continue falling in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -14.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -19.78% and -5.41%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -21.01% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -23.32% and 6.23%. This means the stock price could range from $54.76 to $75.86 after 1 year. Our latest update on Alibaba's stock price reveals that it ended at $71.41 on Wednesday, experiencing a decrease of 0.85%. On Wednesday, the stock price of Alibaba declined by 0.85%, dropping from $72.02 to $71.41. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $71.05 and a high of $71.78, with a range of 1.03%. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 5.85%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive signal. The volume dropped by 1 million shares, and a total of 19 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.38 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Alibaba's stock was $121.30, while the lowest was $70.09. Currently, the stock price is 41.13% or $49.89 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 77.64% or $247.91 below the all-time high recorded on October 27, 2020, when the price reached $319.32. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Alibaba Group Holding Limited, BABA. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded their rating on Alibaba to buy from their previous hold rating. Another notable rating change came on Friday, November 17, 2023, when Benchmark upgraded their rating on Alibaba to buy with a hold action. Mizuho Securities also showed their confidence in Alibaba on the same day, upgrading their rating to buy with a hold action. Earlier on that day, Morgan Stanley changed their rating on Alibaba from hold to overweight. And going back a bit further to Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Benchmark upgraded their rating on Alibaba to buy with a hold action. Analysts have given Alibaba stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Alibaba stock. Currently, there are mixed signals in the stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, painting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned higher than the short-term average. When the stock corrects upwards, it may encounter resistance at the price levels of $73.62 and $74.61. However, if the stock manages to break through these levels, it would issue buy signals. It's worth noting that the volume of trades dropped alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume aligns with the price movements, which helps reduce overall risk. On Monday, December 11, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 0.0560%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals in the stock market that you should keep an eye on. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. This signal indicates a buy opportunity. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which also suggests a buy opportunity, specifically 21 days ago. Bollinger is another indicator that gives a buy signal, and it appeared 8 days ago. On the other hand, both the short-term and long-term moving averages are showing sell signals, which were observed 8 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average is currently indicating a sell signal, which was identified 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal, which occurred 86 days ago. However, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 73 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to Alibaba, there are a few key points to consider. First, there is a support level at $71.39, which means that if the stock price reaches this level, it might be a good opportunity to buy. Typically, when a support level is tested, we can expect the stock price to bounce back up. It's important to note that Alibaba has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. This means that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that in the past day, it had a price range of $0.730 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to 1.03% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.79%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a less optimistic outlook for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.86. It's worth keeping an eye on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $74.67. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at $71.39. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with potential for a rebound. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Alibaba currently holds several negative signals and we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. However, upon analyzing the volatility in movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 11th, we expect Alibaba to open at $0 and commence trading at $71.41. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. That's why it's crucial to seek guidance from a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. At StockInvest.us, we provide information to help you navigate the market, but it's essential to understand that your investment choices are your own responsibility. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stock market. We want to hear your thoughts, so be sure to comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We're excited to hear your insights. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. As always, we're here to support your trading journey and we wish you a successful day. Thank you for being a part of the Stock Invest community.